Welcome to today's story. Remember, you can turn on subtitles in your language or slow down the speed of the video to understand better. In this audio story, we will use these phrases. Delicious. To do a good job. To throw a ball. To do my homework. Adventure. To write a report. To plant some flowers. To dig holes. To water the flowers. To laugh. And now the story. Hi, I am Susan, and I want to tell you about what I did yesterday. I woke up early. I brushed my teeth and washed my face. Then, I ate my breakfast. My mom made me some pancakes. They were really delicious. After I ate my breakfast, I cleaned the dishes. I did a good job and my mom was happy. Then, I took my dog, Rocky, for a walk. We went to the park. Rocky ran around and I threw a ball for him. He caught the ball and brought it back to me. We played for a while and then we returned home. When we got home, I fed Rocky. He ate his food quickly. He was really hungry. After Rocky ate his food, he went to sleep. Next, I did my homework. I read a book for my English class. The book was interesting. It was about a boy who went on a big adventure. After I finished reading the book, I wrote a report about it. I worked hard. After I finished my homework, I helped my dad in the garden. We planted some flowers. We dug holes in the ground and put the flowers in them. Then we watered the flowers. It was fun working in the garden with my dad. Later in the afternoon, I baked some cookies with my mom. We mixed the ingredients together and put the cookies in the oven. They smelled really good. When they were ready, we ate some of them. Then, I played some games on my computer. It was fun. Before dinner, I took a shower. For dinner, we ate spaghetti. It was very tasty. After dinner, I helped my mom clean the kitchen. Before bed, I watched a movie with my family. We laughed a lot. It was a comedy movie. After the movie, I went to my room and read my book. Then, I turned off the light and went to sleep. That's what I did yesterday. It was a busy day, but I enjoyed it a lot. I did many things and I learned a lot. I am looking forward to today. I am sure it will be another great day. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, press the like button, and if you'd like to learn more, check out other videos in the beginner playlist or subscribe to the channel to help our channel grow.